The sizes of the sieves specified as per IS for grading of aggregates are: for core sieves 80 mm, 63 mm, 50 mm, 40 mm, 31.5 mm, 20 mm, 16 mm, 12.5 mm, 10 mm, 6.3 mm, 4.75 mm with square holes perforated plate. For fine sieves, sieve sizes are 3.35 mm, 2.36 mm, 1.18 mm. IS sieve number, weight retained, percentage of weight retained, cumulative percentage of weight retained, percentage of passing. After sieving is done through the series of sieves, the results are tabulated in the table shown. Now let us see the grading requirements for the different usage of aggregates. Grading requirements of coarse aggregates for concrete works. Table 2 of IS 383/97 1970 specifies that the aggregate conforms to this table should be only used for the concrete purposes. Left hand side portion of this table specifies the single sized aggregates to be used in the concrete. For the 63 mm single sized aggregates, 40 mm single sized aggregates, 20 mm single sized aggregates, 16 mm single sized aggregates, 12.5 mm single sized aggregates, 10 mm single sized aggregates are covered in the left hand portion of the single sized aggregates. And the right hand portion of the table comprises of the graded aggregate details, which comprises of 40 mm graded aggregate, 20 mm graded aggregate, 16 mm graded aggregate and 12.5 mm graded aggregate, which can be obtained by mixing the single sized aggregates shown in the left hand side in different proportions. Now let us see the single sized aggregates and graded aggregates of 40 mm, 20 mm and 12.5 mm. This is a sample of single sized aggregate of 40 mm size. This is a sample of 20 mm size single sized aggregates. This is a sample of 12.5 mm single sized aggregate. Now let us see the graded aggregates of respective sizes. This is a sample of 40 mm graded aggregate. This is a sample of 20 mm size graded aggregate. This is a sample of 12.5 mm graded aggregate. Now you can have the idea of difference between single sized aggregate and the graded aggregates of 40 mm, 20 mm and 12.5 mm sizes, which are widely used for the concrete purposes. Now let us see the sizes of coarse aggregate for mass concrete. This is as per table 3 of IS 383/1970. This table specifies the different sizes of aggregates to be used for the mass concreting purposes, varying the sizes from 150 mm to the 4.75 mm size. For huge mass concreting purposes, these sizes are to be used. All in aggregate grading. This is as per the table 5 of IS 383/1970. This comprises of both coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. As you can see, the size of the aggregates are mentioned here, right from 80 mm to the 150 micron. This means it comprises of both fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. This table shows the grading requirements of the fine aggregates to be used in the concreting purposes. This is as per the table 4 of IS 383/1970. The gradings have been divided into 4 zones. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4. As you go from Zone 1 to 4, the aggregate size becomes finer. Zone 4 is restricted to use. Look at the fine aggregates of Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4. With a fineness modulus of nearly 3.5. This is Zone 2 graded fine aggregate. This is most ideal to use in the concreting purposes. Its fineness modulus ranges from 2.8 to 3.2. This is Zone 3 grading of fine aggregate. This is still finer than the Zone 2 aggregate, whose fineness modulus ranges from 2.5 above. This is Zone 4 aggregate, still fine aggregate. Its usage is restricted for the RCC purposes. Now let us see the grading requirements of coarse aggregate for roadworks. You have 2 tables here. Top table shows the single-sized aggregate specification as per the table 500-25 of most specification, and the bottom table shows is as per the table 1501A of APSS. The single-sized aggregate to be used in the road purpose should conform to any one of these 2 tables. This table shows the grading requirements of coarse aggregates for the roadworks. This is as per the table 400-7 of most. There are 3 gradings given in the table. Grade 1 ranges from 90 mm to the 45 mm size. Grade 2 ranges from 63 mm to the 45 mm. And grade 3 ranges from 53 mm to the 24 mm size aggregates. Different gradings can be obtained by mixing the different proportions and sizes of the aggregates from the tables shown before in the percentages shown in the 4th column of the table. Now let us see the aggregate sample or aggregate grading requirement for the open graded premix carpet. This is as per most class 509. Quantity of aggregate to be used is 0.27 cubic meter per 10 square meters. The other requirements are as shown in the table. The material looks like this. Now let us see the grading requirements of aggregate sample for BTST or BTRC as per APSS clause number 1510. Quantity of aggregates used for this purpose is 0.27 cubic meter per 10 square meters, and other requirements are as per the table shown. The material meeting the requirements is as shown here. Now let us see the aggregate grading requirement for the BT seal coat as per APSS clause number 1512. Binder material used for this purpose is 9.8 kg per 10 meter square. The aggregate material meeting the requirement looks like